Well, the tree's down. Got two of them off looking for shed antlers. You can hear the chainsaw humming faintly in the background. That's lumberjack Jack clearing brush still. He don't know how to rest. Now this old fat guy, I'm sitting here on a rock. Got the old Savage Model 42, 410, 22 mag, sitting on my lap, overlooking a little holler here at the farm. It's the last day of squirrel season. Figured I'd come in, just do a sit down, rest and relax. Meditate on the beauty of the nature. So, hope y'all having a great Saturday. We'll get back to knife making next week. Y'all be blessed.